Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Settings pane where Wallpapers live. Locate Personalization or Background immediately and select it. This directs you to the controls that change visuals. Make sure the image you want is in an accessible folder so the picker displays it. You're doing this first because the interface shows previews and scaling options only after a file is chosen. Once done, glance at display scaling and orientation, so your selection will match the screen proportions and avoid distortion. Now you'll pick the actual image and control how it fills the screen. Click Browse, choose a JPG or PNG, and watch the preview update. Select a fit mode, fill for full coverage, center for no scaling, or span for multi-monitor continuity, because each option changes how pixels are placed. If the image looks stretched, crop or resize it to match your display resolution. Many systems include a simple crop tool. Make sure to confirm the selection so the system applies the new layout. Finish by applying the wallpaper and verifying it across your screens. Click Apply or Save to commit the change. If your background reverts or won't change, check Account Sync, Group Policies, or Roaming Profile settings that enforce wallpapers. Make sure the image file has read permissions and that no desktop management software is overriding your choice. As a last step, restart the graphics driver or Explorer process and, if necessary, reboot. This clears cache settings and forces the new image to display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.